What's good in the hood, y'all? It's your homie back again with another video. Alright guys, in today's video it's going to be a little mini tutorial. One of my viewers asked me to help them out with how to remove this case right here, the spider case for the Samsung S9. Alright, so basically what you want to do is, here, let me just close this real quick. Alright, there you guys go. Let me focus that real quick. Okay, it is sealed, right? Shut off. Okay, so this is what you want to do. Let me turn on the light for y'all. Well, this is also for whoever else is struggling as well. I got y'all. I'm here to help, okay guys? Okay, so you know how it's on the bottom right here, right? There's a little like groove in there. If you guys can see right there, boom, right there. So you want to put your nail in there. You just really want to just like pry it open all the way down, all the way down, all the way down like that. Okay, if it's hard to go down this way, then you can just go up. It's gonna take a lot of practice, okay? Just keep going, just keep going. And then once it's open, you just tear it apart like that. Don't worry, it won't break or nothing. And that's about it. That's how I did it. You just gotta like put force into it, okay guys? Yeah, I'll do it one more time. And what I did was I just kept doing it, and it like loosened up, and it just got easier from there on. That was the only way I found that was easy. And if you want, you can just open this too. I don't know if that helps or not, but I mean, it helped me. There you go, like that, boom. Hopefully this tutorial helped. I know it's a quick video, yeah, for anybody that has this case and had a tough time trying to open it up and stuff like that. If this video helped you guys out in any way, please smash that like button. Smash subscribe for more content. Leave comments down below. Also, I read everything. And yeah, thank you so much guys. And on that note, y'all be safe, keep it breezy, and now see y'all in the future. Deuces. Oh yeah, I tried to put a magnet thing on here, and that didn't work out, so yeah. Ha!